Howdy, I'm Nelson, and this is the Sea Change, or just Sea Change, our bus. And it's a 96 Bluebird, and 40 foot. Me and my little dude, Cole Nelson, live in here. Yeah, you want to see it?
Sure.
All right.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
This is my dude. My partner in crime. What's up, man? You gonna say hi? Yeah, alright, so this is home. This is what we roll around in. And, yeah. Sorry, I'm not like tour ready, but this is what it looks like lived in, man.
Yeah, I like the chairs, and
Yeah. We dig it.
something to be said about the classics.
Yeah, I love it, man. This is kind of, it's, you know, yeah, it's how we roll. I don't know. Yeah, we're all solar. The solar's all under there, but you guys all know about solar.
Well,
then,
how much solar do you have?
On top, we have 1,240 watts, and they feed into 400 amp hour of lithium, and it's through a Victron controller, stuff like that. You know,
Sure.
yeah. And our fridge, we run a 7 cubic feet fridge, and it's awesome for both of us. It's even for more than just the two of us, we do completely fine. Sorry about the dishes. Again, I wasn't expecting. It's lived in, you know. And then life on the road. And then we take all of our water through this Berkey, which we love. We carry 125 gallons of fresh water in the back when it's filled, and yeah. And then all this is not finished. We got this guy in January, and we did the whole build off-grid. We did this whole thing out at Craggy Wash with a whole bunch of friends. We finished up other parts of it by Aaronsburg, and then also up in Sedona, little pieces along the way. But the bulk of it we did out in Craggy Wash in Lake Havasu area.
While you doing that, I was hanging out in Aaronsburg, relaxing from a build that I did in Georgia.
Okay.
So,
yeah, we're in Aaronsburg right before that.
Yep.
You know what I mean? For skoolie, of course. And then a whole big gang of us trekked up to there, and
Yep.
where we were close to Home Depot, and we did this whole thing off grid, 100%.
Yeah, that's one thing nice about up that way. There's actually Home Depot. You don't. I don't.
Yeah.
Where I was, it's an hour and a half drive.
Right.
If I needed anything. So.
And you end up going to that place a lot. I was not looking forward to going in there anymore after this build. I was like, if I never see a Home Depot again, I'm gonna be good. This is my little dude's room. This little cabin here. You know, and pantry. Mess, but it's stocked with food, so that's good news. Always. And then bathroom in here is pretty unfinished. It's just a cedar chip toilet and a shower that's still not completely amazing yet, but that's cool.
Right. So
the cedar chip, and then we have a urine diverter that runs to a tank below that we empty, and then this is the shower, which was tough to find materials for on the road, you know what I mean?
all right.
The way we did it, at least. We could not find cedar to save our life down in the Havasu and
No.
Arizona area. Impossible. But then our clothes.
That's the kind of stuff you find up this way, up in the North Country.
Right. But unfortunately, we were doing our build seamlessly. Like, we were in a rig before this, sold it, bought this one seamlessly, and went right into it. So we did our build really fast. We did our build like in under 2 months. But you know, at the price of, like, you had to build fast, and that's a real quick build. This thing,
I did a remodel on mine in May. Sticker shock when I was buying plywood and stuff.
Oh, yeah, not an easy time. So back here, we just got a SureFlow pump, water heater, bedroom back here. And then one of my favorite spots is up top on the deck. You want to see that? You can just climb up this a little bit and just kind of pan around, but that's...
I won't, because
no?
it's hard to do by hand.
Do you want me to hold it? So there, and then you're behind you won't be able to see beyond the door, but it's 18 feet of deck. All you'll get is the emergency hatch at that point.
Yeah, right.
But that we spend every morning up there with coffee and ukuleles, and
Sure.
Deck's one of my favorite things.
Now, do you have any kind of social media presence if people want to get hold of you?
Interview with the Trampire. So interview with the Trampire on Instagram, and I just keep in touch with people on that.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't do any YouTubing or nothing like that. We're just out here living.
Right.
But
Oh, thank you. I like what you did.
yeah, thanks, man.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.